Hello, my dear little buddies. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I am your Anita ma'am from Udayan Kidz. Today, we are going to learn about air pollution. So, children, do you know what is air pollution? Let me tell you. Air pollution is the presence of substances in the atmosphere that are harmful to humans and other living beings or cause damage to the environment. Okay? Here are some causes of air pollution. First one is burning firecrackers. Burning firecracker is one of the most causes of air pollution. And second one is smoke from cars. Smoke from cars is also one of the most reason of air pollution. जब गाड़ी से धुआं निकलता है तो उससे हमारा एयर पॉल्यूटेड हो जाता है. And third one is smoke from factories. Smoke from factories is one of the main cause of air pollution. फैक्ट्रीज से जो धुएं निकलते हैं उसमें ढेर सारा केमिकल होता है जिससे हमारा एयर पॉल्यूटेड हो जाता है, जिससे हमें ब्रीथिंग लेने में इश्यूज आती है. एंड फोर्थ वन इज बर्निंग गार्बेज. बर्निंग गार्बेज इज one of the most causes of burning garbage is one of the most cause of air pollution. जो हम कचरा जलाते हैं उससे हमारा एयर पॉल्यूटेड हो जाता है.
It's human activities that are responsible for most of the world's air pollution. Yes, my friends, right from smoking cigarettes to burning fossil fuels to driving cars and releasing toxic smoke from factories tarnish the air you breathe and cause severe health and environmental problems.
So children, how to prevent air pollution? Let me tell you. Ways to prevent air pollution. First one is stop open burning. We should stop open burning. हमें open में कुछ भी नहीं जलाना चाहिए. And second, use alternative energy. We should use alternative energy just like solar system. And third one is planting trees. We should plant more and more trees. हमें ढेर सारे पौधे पेड़ पौधे लगाने चाहिए जिससे हमें ऑक्सीजन मिलता रहे. And fourth one is using electric vehicles. हमें electric vehicles use करना चाहिए. We should use electric vehicles.
Small changes can fight air pollution. Compost your garden waste instead of burning it. Walk, bike, or use public transport. Fewer cars, cleaner air. On bad air days, wear a mask. Let's breathe easier together.
Now it is classwork time. Let's solve the question.
Now it's quiz time. Circle the picture that create air pollution. Okay. Which picture is create air pollution? This one? No. This one? No. This one? Yes. And in these pictures, which one is create air pollution? This one? No. This one? Yes. And in third line, which one is create air pollution? This one? Yes.
yourself. Now it is worksheet time. Kids to practice what they have learned now. Parents can download the worksheet from the link provided in the description below. After completing the worksheet, the same needs to be mailed at edu@udayankidz.com. Our academic team will review and return the check sheet to the same email ID.
Air pollution. This refers to the presence of harmful substances in the air, such as gases, particulate matter, and chemicals.
Oh, it's too irritating. Smoke from factories, power plants, vehicles, chemicals, airplanes, fumes from spray cans, and methane gas from landfills causes air pollution.
Air pollution is more dangerous for children because of their smaller size and lung capacity. The IQ of children can be negatively affected by air pollution. Deforestation is a major cause of air pollution. Efforts such as adopting cleaner technologies, promoting renewable energy, improving waste management practices,
I hope you all are enjoying this video. See you in next class. Bye-bye children. Take care.
Stop pollution from filling up the sky. Stop pollution from filling up the sky.
Let's make learning fun for everyone. Like, share and subscribe Udayan Kids.